Question number 1. The Assam Kingdom was established in the year. Answer 1228. Question number 2. The War of Suraighat was fought between Assam and Mughal in the year. Answer 1671. Question number 3. The Shiva Dol was constructed during the reign of. Answer Shiva Singha. Question number 4. Which Assam king is also known as the Pamuni Kunwar? Answer Sudangpa. Question number 5. Sodiak Kohain was a. Answer frontier officer. Question number 6. Which one was the first capital of the Sutiya kingdom? Answer Swarnagiri. Question number 7. The Gohain Komal Ali Road was constructed during the reign of. Answer Noronarayan. Question number 8. Soti Sadani was a queen of which dynasty? Answer Sutiya dynasty. Question number 9. Which Assam king created the Borburua and Borfukon coast? Answer Pratap Singha. Question number 10. Which Assam queen built the Shiva Dol in Sibsagar? Answer Ambika Kunwari. Question number 11. The Namdang Stone Bridge was constructed during the reign of Assam king. Answer Rudra Singha. Question number 12. The Maurya rebellion started during the reign of. Answer Lakshmi Singha. Question number 13. Which Assam king had the shortest reign of only 21 days? Answer Samaguriya Raja. Question number 14. The Itakulir Run was fought against Mughal during the reign of. Answer Godador Singha. Question number 15. Under which treaty of 1563 Assam kingdom accept the coast overlordship? Answer Treaty of Majuli. So thanks for watching.